Coming to second sum, children. This is a word problem. The difference between two numbers is 8. What is meant by difference? You know, subtraction. So the difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. Here we don't know what are the numbers. Here we need to find the numbers. Here, children, we have to assume one number as x. Okay. Now let the bigger number be x. Then what is smaller number? Small general example I am taking, children. 10 minus some number equal to 6 you got. When I subtract one number from 10, I got a 6. Then what is this answer, can you say? Yes, 4. 10 minus 6 you will do. So you will get 4 here. So when you do 10 minus 4, you will get 6. Similarly, here the difference of some two numbers, they gave us 8. In that, one number, bigger number I took as 8. Then what is the smaller number here? Smaller number will become what? X minus 8. Here when you do 10 minus 6, similarly x minus 8 is the smaller number. Now we will go on condition. What is given condition? If 2 is added to the bigger number and the result will be 3 times the smaller. Right? 2 is added to bigger number. What is bigger number here? X. I am adding 2 because 2 is added to the bigger number. The result will be, that is equal to 3 times 3 into the smaller number. What is smaller number here? X minus 8. Compulsory we need to keep in bracket, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. Here we have to use distributive property. Now solve. X plus 2, 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 8s are 24. This is how we have to do. Now here x, 3x, here these are the variables. You have to bring all the variables to one side and the constant terms to other side. Here we have to find the value of x. Now x I am writing as it is. Here equal to, after 3x is there, bring that 3x, transpose the 3x to the LHS. What it will become? Minus 3x. And what is here? Minus 24. Take this plus 2 to that side. So it will become minus 2. Now x minus 3x is how much, children? Minus 2x. And minus 24 minus 2 is how much? When two numbers are in minus, we have to add and keep minus symbol. So minus 26. So what is x now here? When both sides minus is there, you can do cancellation, right? So what is x now? X is nothing but 26 by 2. 2 1s are 2 13s. So x you got as 13. Here we have to find the numbers. What is bigger number now? Bigger number is x, that is 13. And what about smaller number? Smaller number is x minus 8, that is 13 minus 8. How much? 5. So bigger number is 13, smaller number is 5. You can check. When you subtract 13 minus 5, you will get answer as 8. Next word problem. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? See, when you add two numbers, you should get 58. When you do subtraction, you should get 28. Now, first condition, we will take here. They gave sum of two numbers is nothing but 58. So, in that, I will take one number as x. Listen, when you add two numbers, you are getting 58. Here we don't know the two numbers. So take one number as x. So, and I let bigger number is equal to x. Then what about the other number, smaller number? What about the other number? What about this now? It will become 58 minus x. So smaller number is 58 minus x. Right? Up to here is it clear? Now we will go for the second condition that the difference is 28. Again, difference of two numbers is equal to 28. So what is the first number? X minus, difference means minus. What is the second number? 58 minus x equal to 28. If you write without bracket in the subtraction, the symbols will, you will get the answer as different. So compulsory for subtraction, you have to keep that equation in a bracket because the symbols here will change. So x minus 58 minus into minus plus x equal to 28 here you will get. Okay. Now x plus x how much? 2x minus 58 equal to 28. Now 2x minus 58 when you transpose to other side it will become plus 58. So 2x equal to 28 plus 58 is how much? 86. So what is x? 86 by 2. When you do cancellation, 2 4s are 2 3s are. So x is nothing but 43. So what is 43 here? Is it bigger number or smaller? Bigger number. Bigger number you got as 43. And what about the smaller number? Smaller number 58 minus x. That is 58 minus 43. How much you get 58 minus 43? You get 15. So bigger number is 43, smaller number is 15. See, you can check children, when you add 43 plus 15, you will get 58. When you subtract 43 minus 15, you are going to get 28. Next one, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. Consecutive odd numbers means continuous numbers. Okay, here when we add two odd numbers, continuous odd numbers, here we should get 56. What are the two odd numbers they are asking? So generally first we have to take general formula for odd numbers. Before that I will explain what are even numbers, children. You know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are even numbers, means these are multiples of 2, right? And generally we write even numbers as like 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, right? That is 2x. 2x is the general, means when you substitute in place of x1, 2 1s are 2, when you substitute 2, 2 2s are 4, substitute 3, 2 3s are 6, means general formula for 2x is 2x, even number. Means here you can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like 2x, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 4 like that. This is the general formula for odd numbers. Then what about even number? This is the general formula for even numbers. Then coming to odd numbers, you know 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are odd numbers. Now you know general formula for even number is 2x, and whenever you divide these odd numbers with 2, you will get a remainder as 1. So 2x plus 1 is a odd number. Next odd number you will get 2x plus 3. Next 2x plus 5. For example, when you substitute 1 in this, 2, 1 plus 1, how much? Sorry, 0. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, how much? 1. Next 2, 0 plus 3, how much? 0 plus 3, 3. Next this is 2, 0 plus 5 how much? 0 plus 5, 5. So 1, 3, 5. These are odd numbers. Similarly, when you substitute 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 5, 7 like this. So this is the general formula for the odd numbers. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. Next to 2x plus 7 like this. These are the general formula for odd numbers. Let two consecutive odd numbers. What you are going to take? 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. Okay. Now what is given? The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Now sum of two consecutive odd numbers is equal to 56. Sum means addition. So 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 equal to 56. 2x plus 2x how much? 4x. 1 plus 3 how much? 4 equal to 56. Now take plus 4 to that side. 4x equal to 56 minus 4. 4x equal to 52. What is x children? 52 by 4. 4 table when you cancel, 4 3s are. So x you got as 13. X got 13 means what is that odd numbers? First one is 2x plus 1. That is in place of x you have to substitute 13. 2 into 13 plus 1. How much? 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 1 how much children? 27. Coming to next. Another number we have to 2x plus 3. That is 2 into 13 plus 3. 26 plus 3. That is 29. So what are the two consecutive odd numbers here? Therefore, two consecutive odd numbers are nothing but 27 and 29. So continuous odd numbers are not, and when you add 27 and 29, you are going to get 56.